Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57 and today I bring you a review of this beautiful nail lamp by ABOX. They kindly sent me this for review. I am going to do an unboxing for you so we can see what's inside, and then I'm going to pause and check out the features so then I can present that to you and talk to you about the features, and I have a very nice surprise for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so as I mentioned, let's go ahead and do an open box of this. I've not opened it just yet and find out how what the features on this is, but I will tell you. Okay, let me go ahead and before I open it, let me show you here on the side of the box really quick. This is a 72 watt lamp. Okay, so that is awesome. I think this is probably the highest one that I have. Let's go ahead and open it up because I can tell from the picture it is absolutely beautiful. So let's see in the box what you can expect. Oh, okay, so here's the looks like this is going to be the box of the power plug. Yeah, there it is. So a US plug. It has here, it says $1 for every child, a fair chance. So they are part of UNICEF. Donate to the love campaign. Let me go ahead and put it here in the sign. So that's something that they do. That's very nice of them as a company. Let's get this baby out of the bag. And here she is. Isn't she adorable? I hope you can tell. All right, now let me go ahead and put it aside. So we want to see what's in the box. Okay, they included some nail files. Always awesome, nice to have extra nail files. Here's a user manual. There you can see this is in several languages. Yes, it's on several languages. Let me go ahead and put this aside. And here's something else I found inside the box, guys. This VIP membership only warranty card. Check it out. Additionally, if you register online, so the lamp automatically comes with a 12-month warranty. That's a full year. If you register online, here's their website. You get an additional 6-month warranty. That's very good customer service for this seller to offer that for this lamp. So you get a 1.5 year warranty, extended warranty when you register online. I did wanted to bring that up since I found this at the bottom of the box. This is a lamp, very light weighted. I do like that. And right off the bat, you can see it has a handle. Isn't that neat? And see, it looks like a chrome mirror rose gold detail handle, and also we have that detail around the digital display right here. This is where the outlet, the plug connects to for power, and it says this is Star 2, so I believe that's the model Star 2, made by ABOX. That's the company logo, and it says focus on UV LED applications, so it cures both UV and LED. Here we can see that it has the tray, the bottom tray. See how this is held here. So magnetic. Well, it's pretty tight. So, oh, there it goes. So yeah, those were pretty strong magnets. Let's take a look inside. Did not look at how many light bulbs this is, but if you want to pause this and count them, but there they are. More important, well, you know, we know it's a 72 wattage lamp, but so very importantly, check out the placement of those LED bulbs. This is awesome. We have a little bit of ventilation right here. A lot of times the LED bulbs are more around the outer perimeter of the lamp. Check it out. Look at this right here. I love this. Awesome. Good placement of LED light bulbs right there. And as you notice, the magnets were pretty strong to hold the base. I can't get over how light this lamp is. Let me see if this has, usually they have a little plastic. Nope. This, see if I can use my orange wood stick. I don't know. Usually I expect this to have some kind of protective film in here that sometimes but this one doesn't look like it has it. So it looks like we should get, and I'm getting my fingerprints all over it because I did put lotion on my hands. So it does have, I can see that it has the low heat mode. It starts out with 10 seconds. That's very, very nice. 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then the 99-second, which is for the low heat mode. Let's go ahead and plug this in and see it, plug it in and see it in action. Okay, so here it is plugged in now. Bring you in a little bit up close, and oh, I'm noticing the digital display. It's purple, guys. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but that is so cool. It looks so pretty. All right, let's see. So 10 seconds. So right there, I press the 10-second button, and it immediately came on. Let's see what happens with the, as far as an automatic set. Okay, so it already went off. Turn this over on this side a little bit because I failed to show you how low the sensors are when I have the base off. So here they are right there. This is allows it, see, for coming on. So I pressed the 10-second button. Let's see if it keeps memory. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this buffer in there so that it runs for 10 seconds. So it looks as you press this 10-second button and it keeps that, and there we go. Very good. Okay, so now it's still on the 10-second. Let's see what happens if we interrupt. Ah, nice. I do like that. So it knows that I removed my hand at the 7th second count, and it continues from there down. Very, very nice. So it does have that memory. Take it out again. Oh, that was probably, I did something to reset it. Let's try the, if I go, so that's set at 10. Let's jump to 30. Oh, well, I pushed the buttons. So when you push the buttons, it immediately, whether your hand is in there or not, it comes on. And these buttons, they're actually touch-ons, guys. It's no, let's see. Now, if I want this off, there you see what's happening with the 99-second. That's very low. Starts at 99. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell how it changes, and I don't, it usually changes at about the 30-second count, and it goes to a higher wattage. So that's a great feature for when you may have a product that you may experience some heat spikes with. Use the low wattage, the low heat button, so that it gradually goes from low wattage to the full wattage of the 70 watt. Okay. So there, I don't know if you noticed, it blinked. So right at the 60-second, it went higher to the second half of the wattage, the higher. Okay, and so, oh, so I interrupted the cycle, and you see what's happening. That's good. I do like that. So, and if I want to, let's see if this is on, and I want to turn it off. Oh, okay. So any of the buttons. Once it's on, if it's running, and if your hand is in there, let's go ahead and put that in there. If I want to turn it off, okay, as long as your hand is in there, it's not going to go if you can't turn it off. But if you remove your hand, if the buttons happen to be, you happen to hit the buttons and it comes on like you see right now, you can turn them off by pushing the buttons again. That's very nice. And these buttons are actually light touch. I don't even hear them click or anything, so they're just touch on buttons. Very, very nice feature. Let's go ahead and turn that off. There we go. Very nice looking lamp. This has a nice average size when it comes to here. Let's see the width. We have, let me turn this over so you can see. We have one about almost 7 inches from, if I can show you this way. So almost 7 inches. Now I know it's upside down from the entrance, from sidewall to sidewall, right here, almost 7 inches. And from top to bottom here, we have almost 3 inches. That will be from the entrance right here to the bottom tray. Okay, so that's very comfortable. And again, you can see, let me pop this open, very good placement of these LEDs, because these will take care of your thumbs right here. And then I really like this because sometimes people don't insert their hands all the way in, afraid of hitting the back of the lamp, or sometimes you have small hands. You know, they have people with small hands. Sometimes you have those youngsters that the parents don't mind if they get gel polishes, and I'm trying to snap this back in place. Now guys, there we go. Any questions about this, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank ABOX very, very much for sending me this gorgeous lamp to play with and review. Stay tuned because something you will want to do, check out the link down in the description bar below. I have a giveaway. You can win this beautiful 72 watt lamp, guys. You can win this. Enter below, click the link. It's 100% sponsored by ABOX, by this company, the seller that sent me this lamp. All you have to do is be sure that you are a subscriber to my channel, NAQ57. You must be a subscriber. I'm going to pop up a screenshot of what that page looks like, so you know what to expect when you click on that link where it sends you. You will see as of right now, or as of the time that I took the screenshot, the giveaway looks like it's going to be open for 34 days. That's about a month. That was all set up by the seller themselves. And you have to look down below that image you're going to see, and I'm going to pop that screenshot here. See look for that YouTube logo, and so that number 1, when you click on that, that's your entry. Click on that. And then if it asks you for your login for YouTube, go ahead and log in. Any questions about that or any issues, or, I didn't set that up. The seller strictly set that up, so that is how they're doing this giveaway. And it looks like it will be open for a few weeks. So that is it, guys. Absolutely gorgeous lamp. Go check it out. Available on Amazon if you want to purchase this. And if you have any questions, leave them below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.